Generally, an HOA or a condominium association can indeed foreclose on one's home in Florida for unpaid assessments, unpaid maintenance. There's certain limits to it in Florida, depending if you live in a condo association or an HOA. But generally speaking, if somebody owes, what we say dues or maintenance payments or assessments, they need to take this extremely seriously because it could lead not only to increased amounts due because once those amounts are due, attorney fees will get added on, late fees will get added on, and typically those attorney's fees get added on at a higher rate the longer the debt is outstanding. But then that could lead to a foreclosure lawsuit being filed, where then the homeowner will owe more money, and then could lead to an actual foreclosure sale of the property, where the court orders the sale of the property and it is sold and it is titled to a new owner. What we really try to help people with is avoiding getting to those steps. These types of issues, foreclosures need to be dealt with, or the threats of foreclosures need to be dealt with early on and resolved as soon as possible.